Installing the 40903 nail gun hanger or the 70306 I-joist nail gun hanger to your Max TA551A or TA551B stapler. First thing you'll need to do is pick yourself up 2 M5 by 0.8 by 25 bolts, 2 number 10 SAE washers, and you'll have to find 2 nylon or aluminum spacers. These are 1/2 inch outside diameter, 3/16 inside diameter, and 7/16 long. 5/16 long. 7 SAE washers stacked up would equal that. If you order from the website, all this hardware will be included in the package. So first thing you do is remove the bolts holding the track to the body. And you'll discard those bolts. Save the original nuts. Put a washer on each of your new bolts. Thread them through the hangers. Put both spacers on. And then through the nailer. Now you need to get your nuts threaded on, which is a little bit tough to get them in their slot, but definitely doable. Position your hanger the angle you want it on. I like to go parallel with the track, and then go ahead and tighten them down. And there you go. You have a hanger on your narrow crown stapler.